Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can add the merging shadow for text in CapCut PC. So I'm using the animation effects. So okay, go to media and select the PNG background, and I'm just going to change for the color. Sorry. Alright, number one, I'm just going to add text. For text, change for the text. Alright, can adjust for anything here, font style, font color, and font size. So you are just going to apply the animation. Select animation and select in animation, and you can find merging shadow. And so this is pro effect. You have to join pro first to be able to use this effect. So just click on it and adjust for iteration, and see for the final result. Okay, you can also add a sound effect. Just click audio and select sound effect and just type or just search your sound effect that you want. And yeah, so basically I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.